Hello guys, good morning. This is going to be a short video about Jio Things. So already you have seen other videos, I guess. So this is Jio Things in my hand, and already I installed it in my car, and I have the Jio Things app on my phone. Okay, so first I will put this Jio Things to the OBD port of my 3XO. Okay, so you have to see this is the upper part. This is the upper part, and I insert it. Okay, once I insert it, the lights blinks, 3 blue lights. It's not already activated. Okay, I mean started. So now I just open my app and try to see you can see my battery voltage is less. It's showing less right now. Okay, you can see battery voltage is less. The other parameters, coolant temperature, engine load, and air intake temperature, you will see when I start the engine. So only problem is before starting the engine I can see my battery voltage is low. Already I put another video about this thing, battery voltage low. Now you can see that there are 3 kinds of lights, 3 colors. This green is for GPS, I guess, and the other thing. So it will remain like this throughout. Okay, I don't remove it usually. So there are other features in the app. When you buy it or when you download it, you will be able to see these things. So it shows me last online, and it shows about my trips and everything. So I can see my previous trips and everything. So this is okay. This is even my Adrenox, okay, Adrenox can do that, no problem. The only thing is live data that I like about this vehicle health. Okay, now I try to start the engine because I already see my battery voltage is less, and I didn't start the car for 4 days. I didn't drive it, so I don't know what is the situation going to happen. Let's try. So I start, brake pedal, push and start. You see, it is not starting. The engine has not started. Okay, only the instrument cluster has come, because the battery voltage has to be, I think, 13 point
Welcome
something.
To the driver monitoring system.
It will has to be more than 12.4. I have 12.1. No. See, not starting. So guys, please suggest me, should I go for a jump starter. Actually it is showing my battery voltage right now is 11.5. that means the battery has dropped.
Monitoring system.
Okay, so battery has dropped. It is cold morning, and you can see it is cold morning. I don't have a jump starter. Should I need a jump starter? Please let me know in the comment. This is the thing that I'm facing, and I don't think this is a car problem. It is a natural phenomena for this winter. So guys, I'll try how I can start my engine. For the next time, please suggest me what should I do. Okay, and this is all about this Jio Things, you can see, and see you in the next video. Thank you.